Good morning. Asian markets edged higher today, buoyed by exporter stocks. However, gains were limited as Greece's debt concerns persisted. China, Hong Kong, Singapore and Taiwan markets are shut for trade today. Japan and South Korea have gained modestly, while stock benchmarks in Europe rose marginally. There are concerns over China's monetary tightening, debt troubles in the European Union and the jobless economic recovery in the US. Back home, things appear to be getting better for the economy. At the same time, inflation is threatening to cross double digits soon. Budget is just a few days away and could herald partial and calibrated rollback of the fiscal stimulus. Going forward, monsoons will be crucial as India can hardly afford another bad rainy season. European shares closed higher on Monday, buoyed by gains in the airline sector and a broker update for automaker Renault. The pan-European Dow Jones Stock 600 index rose 0.4% to end at 241.92. The UK's FTSE 100 index finished 0.5% higher. The German DAX index rose 0.2% and the French CAC 40 added 0.3%. The stocks in the Indian markets may open steady to positive in lines with the Asian markets today. But don't take any major call on either side as the near-term outlook still continues to be dim. Use the uncertainty and the consolidation to reshuffle your portfolios. The other news for the day is Balarpur Industries has put a bid close to $200 million for acquiring Malaysia's largest integrated paper manufacturer GS Paper and Packaging Group. Indiabulls Real Estate is considering the demerger of its wholesale trading business to unlock value from the venture. The wholesale price index surged to a 14-month high of 8.56% in January, beating the Reserve Bank of India's projection of 8.5% by the end of March. State-owned oil firms to cut aviation turbine fuel price by 2.5% on falling global rates to give some relief to the Indian carriers. The stock suggestions for the day are Maruti buy at Rs 1,336 and a stop loss to be maintained is at Rs 1,315 for a target price of Rs 1,380 and 1,390. Electrosteel castings buy. Traders can buy the stock between the range of Rs 46 to Rs 47 for a target price of Rs 51 and it is advisable to maintain a stop loss at Rs 45.